Sal. I will go down Mountain Highway and go screaming down. I will do 67 kilometers an hour. It makes you look like a bum. Everybody gets to know you as a bum, and no one would, if they keep seeing you in North Vancouver, will ever hire you if you do this.
He's fearless, I would say.
The best place to get carts is Safeway. The tires are bigger, front ones are smaller, and you can pick up more speed. The art of picking up bottles. Cheers. Harsh boozers. An oldie, I'm gonna keep that. Hey, dirt. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Guess I gotta go to the recycling depot. It says, on the first week of the next month, do something just for you. Sure. We got ourselves close to what? $225 there, hun?
Yeah.
No, $225.
Yes. You want a cider, dear?
Yes, dear. Thank you very much.
I'm a free bird, you know. I got one kid. He's in South Korea in the army, but I got no one dependent on me. We ride bicycles. We push our carts. You don't see us in a car or nothing. We recycle. We're conservation. We love animals, and we clean the earth. No, they're with us. We're in the movie. I'm doing good. That's how I stay in shape. Some people pay money to go to the gym. Not me. I live my own life. I got no old lady, nothing. You know. All my girls are working girls. You know, but I love them. It's a beautiful life. It's a great life.
I started collecting through the reserves about 9-10 years old, and this is just part of my daily routine. I'm kind of like a good Samaritan guy. I take in the homeless people and that, put them up. A lot of them were just a bunch of riffraff. And here's my daily breakfast. Good morning, how are you? Yeah, I usually start off my day like this. I'm trying to cut back a little bit because of health reasons. You know how men are. They're really brave, except when it comes to their own health. They won't go see the doctor, go see what's checked up on them or anything. I mean, it's scary probably being a man.
I gotta turn myself in because I'm on the land. So.
I seen a guy die today. I don't fucking need no shit from no one.
Usually, everybody in extreme sports always gets hurt.
Oh my God.
I don't know what's going on down there. I don't know what's going on with my leg. I don't know what's going on. I don't even want to fucking deal with it.
Oh, there's my nephews. Look at their house. Hey, they're trying to rebuild it. I don't even know if they have electricity, man.
See that tree right over there?
Yeah.
That's where I live. I live in a bush, collect cans. Did my leg in. Shopping carton. Got 17 stitches over there. It's still summer weather.
Pushing his buggy, he's going across the street, and it just gets to the other end. Just gets to the other end and gets smoked. His brain's exposed and everything.
Doesn't look like anybody's here at all. So I expect to find them around here. If they're not here, then they're probably over in those bushes. Okay, so their bush hideout is like down in there somewhere. I can see the grass is worn down, so they might be in this area. But I can't get down there in my wheelchair, so you guys got to go ahead of me and get down there. Okay, they might be at the North Shore Bottle Depot. I wouldn't doubt they got kicked out. The guy has drunken temper tantrums all the time. I tried to find Al yesterday, but I can only leave him a business card. Have you seen Big Al?
They said not to breathe this air.
Oh yeah, what's the matter with the air?
There's a thing going on.
Oh,
People are going to hospital.
The Burns Bog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you seen Big Al around?
Not yet, no.
No.